time for bed. What foods do you think they'll dream about? It's a new day and a new eating adventure. It's from Bub. Yay! A food party! What food shall we try today? Broccoli. Tomato. Time to get ready for the party. Let's grow veg for Bub. Welcome back to Bub's food party.
Here is Bub. Bub loves food.
Bub is happy to see you. He says your monster can try any of the tables they want. Hello! Which monster is your monster? You can change what they look like later. Great choice! Your monster is ready to become an adventurous eater. Meet Bub. He's having a food party to help your monster become an adventurous eater. Hello, Bub. He wants us to follow him to Tasty Towers. Let's go! Let's get this party started, Bub. There are all the other monsters. And there's your monster. Hello. Special delivery for your monster. It's from Bub. Yay! A food party! What food shall we try today? Broccoli. Press this button to go to Bub's food party. Here's Bub at the party. Yes, Bub, you do love fruit and veg. Before you go on your food adventure, let's sing a song.
Here is Bub. Bub loves food. Any color, all the colors, it's all good. He's a fan of all the flavors under the sun. He puts them in his tummy, one by one. Now Bub smells food, Bub feels food. Bub loves how food looks. Bub hears food, Bub peels food. Bub eats the food he cooks. Smell, smell, mmm. Pick it up and hold it to your ear now. Look, look, wow. Squeeze it and have a little feel now. Here is Bub. Bub loves food. Any color, all the colors, it's all good. He's a fan of all the flavors under the sun. He loves to taste them all with a yum, yum, yum.
Now it's time for your monster to explore food using their senses. Let's follow Bub to the look table.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Tap the table to look. Look! Can you help your monster look at the veg? Does it look a bit like a tree? Did you like the shape? Well done! You helped your monster look at the veg. Get stars every time your monster tries food. Then you can join the dance party. Let's follow Bub to the taste table.
Ooh, ooh.
Your monster has tried that table. Try another one. Tap the table to taste. Taste. Can you help your monster taste the veg? Is your monster adventurous enough to taste it? I think they love it. Can you eat it all, monster? Amazing! You gave it a try. Let's see Gruff give it a try. Will they try a bite?